the first thing that you're going to want to do is, once you've determined your patio height, you're going to want to dig and pour a footing about 6 to 8 inches below your desired patio height. And typically, we would use a concrete form tube like this, a round one. And in our location, we'd go down to 42 inches. You want to check the frost depth wherever you're at. If you live in an area that doesn't have frost, you're going to want to go a minimum of 36 inches deep. So once you have your concrete poured and set to height, you can go ahead and mark your footing top for the center, okay? And you mark your post base also for the center and line those up. And once your mount's in the center, take your hammer drill, and here we've got a large diameter tap con. You can use expansion anchors, epoxy anchors, oops, whatever you choose to mount this post down. Get that good and tight. Once you've got that one done, repeat that step for every hole the posts mount. And if your pergola post isn't perfectly plumb, you can go ahead and use a composite shim to make it so. Back these out and just kind of feather them tight to get it right where you want it. So if your footing top is so unlevel that you need more than one shim, you want to make sure you get a little bit longer fastener, because we're looking for a minimum of 2.5 inch embedment. But once you've got this post attached to the footing, and you get to the point where your column is going over top, the reason we do it this way is so your patio height here is represented by this block. This can be at whatever height we want it down here. And seasons change, frost comes and goes, and sometimes these move a little bit. That's no problem. You just make sure you slide your post skirt at whatever height you want it, and if it comes up a little bit during the winter, no problem. You can just go back there and push it back down.